Hello and welcome. If you're looking at this video, you have downloaded Mr. Matt's Crazy Ukulele Workbook. This is primarily aimed at kids, and this video is primarily aimed at parents. This book and the accompanying videos that you will find QR codes for on each page will take your child from holding it correctly to playing songs with three or four chords, okay, and everything in between. The other QR code on this page, that's the one you just scanned. The other QR code, that one there, is how to tune your ukulele. Please, please, please tune your ukulele. You will thank me for it repeatedly over the next few months, and while your child batters their way through this, get the ukulele tuned. It's not that hard. If you've got any problems, email me, I will help. But tune the ukulele, otherwise your life will be hell. Okay, other things about this book. On most of the pages there's a little star for them to colour in when they competently do what they are asked to do within the page. This is something you can judge whether they can do it or not. You'll find that there are various points. There's nothing. The ukulele ladder of success. Once they've got the star coloured in, they can colour in the strip on the back, mark it for them with a pen, let them do it. The kids like the interactive thing. They like seeing how far they've progressed up the ukulele. Okay, and they also have 2 certificates of Awesome-ness. One halfway through the book that basically says you're doing well, you're getting there, and one right at the end of the book. Print them out. If you can cover them with those plastic wallet things and stick them on the wall, do. It just gives them a feeling of ownership of the process of learning, and they feel happy with it. Right, if you've got any questions, email me. Most of the videos are pretty self-explanatory though, but I cannot impress on you enough. Please, for your own sanity, learn how to tune the ukulele. Right, enjoy.